because the dirt cloud is gone.
Yeah. Unless it's just
We'll see how fast your car can go. Yeah, it would be weird if that was just a big dirt cloud right there.
You mean like right there where that's all churning?
Yeah, where right there where that's all churning. And that's a truck, and we're done. Oh, Jesus.
Shit, look at all that. Look how fast it's
Oh.
moving. Karen!
Alright, we got this.
You think? Because I don't think driving fast is going to help.
We'll outrun it. Oh.
Cameron, driving fast just gives it an easier way to pick
No,
us
oh,
up.
baloney. You don't know that. It does, but... See, we're turning. We're turning away from it. We're turning away.
You're right. You're right.
This way, right? Left?
Yeah. To the left. Oh yeah, we're totally turning away from it.
Oh, yeah.
That darkness is night, right? Cameron, I think we're right in the middle of it.
No, see, the middle's up there.
Are you gonna put this on Facebook?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Oh,
For sure.
dude.
This stuff is scary. Oh, God dang it. Why does this road turn right into it every time?
This road knows.
I mean, dude, think. If we did get picked up by a tornado and I filmed it, we'd be like the first.
I doubt that. Surely someone else has thought about that.
I'm sure they... Oh, wow.
That lightning was bright.
Yeah, it was.
It's raining.
Oh, good. I'm glad cars are coming down here. Makes me feel a little bit better.
That was a little car.
Yeah, okay, so we can make it. Look at all that dust.
Oh yeah, we can totally make it.
We're going right into it. Oh, look how clear it is up there.
Whoa. That is a cool picture. Cameron, make sure you're driving.
I'm driving. Soon, maybe the wind will be driving for me. I don't know.
Cam. It's 30 up here.
I'm going 45. I'm afraid.
See all that?
Dust?
See all that dust?
I know, right? Oh, that Hummer's hauling. Oh, he's got